Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a instant tomato chutney under 2 minutes guys. So this recipe is very easy and you can prepare this for idli, dosa, upma, roti, anything. So here I added chopped tomatoes and in this I'm going to add some small piece of tamarind and the red chili up to your taste, how much spice you want in your tomato chutney. So here I am adding 4 to 5 red chilies. So as I said, you can add red chili up to your taste, how much spice you want in your tomato chutney. And in this I am going to add a small piece of tamarind. So here I am adding a small piece of tamarind. So in North India, they don't use the tamarind. If you don't want to use the tamarind, you can use the amchur powder. Why we are adding the tamarind? Because it gives the tangy taste in the tomato chutney. So we added chili, tomato, tamarind, and salt. Up to your taste, how much salt you want in your chutney. So here I added the salt and I am going to grind this one as a smooth paste. So here I am preparing the tempering. I added 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil guys. And in this I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and some hing powder which gives a nice taste in the chutney. And I am going to switch off the flame. So here I am adding this tempering in the chutney guys. So can you see, this chutney will be ready under 2 minutes. So very easy recipe. And today I am making kui paniyaram. I will show you guys. So here I am making spongy kui paniyaram for dinner guys. So if you want the recipe, I can share with you, very easy. And can you see guys, here I prepared lot of kui paniyaram. So this is a quick video of how to make tomato chutney under 2 minutes for kui paniyaram or idli, dosa, anything at your home. See you soon in another video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.